What the f is cuteness aggression? It's like when something is so cute that you just want to like strangle it and like see the life.
Nunya, it's how you feel about me.
What?
The voices turns on my brain. No, I can't do it on command. I don't know how to. No. I don't know what this frog is though. What? Oh, brother! These aren't. No, they're very pretty guys. Ah! That's too much. That's too much. That's too much. You can't do that. I'm taking that brain. I'm fine. I don't think my brain. Okay. Ah! 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 Oh, okay, we're good. Okay, we're good. Yeah! We did it. What kind of criminal will you be in the GTA RP server? I was thinking I wanna do a host cafe.
War business. Right now, Liquid is a slave to the Patriot.
That's why I don't hold R1! Toad, stop it, please. Oh, mom's panties! Ah! Okay. Wah! 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 Oh, she's Ariel? Holy shit. What if I want to be part of her world?
Got it.
I know how to beat this guy. Yes. There's a guy here. Please leave me alone. Ah! I don't know what reverse speak sounds like.